Hello friends, how are you all? Today in this video we are going to study chapter 1 of rational number exercise 1C. So let us start. Question number 1, add the following rational number. So in this question number 1 we have to add this question. So taking first part, that is minus 2 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. So here minus 2 upon 5 plus 4 upon 5, by taking LCM as 5. So minus 2 and plus 4. Minus 2 and plus 4 will be 2. So 2 upon 5 will be the answer. Now say its next part, that is sixth part, minus 17 upon 15 and minus 1 upon 15. So minus 17 upon 15 plus minus 1 upon 15. Minus 17 upon 5 plus minus will be minus 1 upon 15. So here minus 17 upon minus 1, and here LCM is 15. So minus 17 and minus 1. Minus minus is plus, so it will be minus 18 upon 15. By cancelling by the table of 3, it will be 6 and 5. So answer will be minus 6 upon 5. Now see next question number second. So in this question number 1, rest of the part you can try yourself. Now see question number second. In question number second, add the following rational number. So first part, 3 upon 4 and minus 3 upon 5. So here minus 3 upon 4 plus minus 3 upon 5. Here 3 upon 4 plus minus will be minus 3 upon 5. By taking LCM of 3, this 4 and 5, it will be 20. So by dividing 20 by 4, it will be 5. 5 into 3 will be 15. Dividing 20 by 5, it will be 4. And 4 into 3 will be 12. So here 15 minus 12 will be 3. 3 upon 20 will be answer. See fourth part, minus 5 upon 6 and 7 upon 24. So minus 5 upon 6 plus 7 upon 24. Taking LCM of 6 and 24. So LCM will be 24. Now dividing 24 by 6, it will be 4, and 4 into minus 5 will be minus 20. By dividing 24 by 24, it will be 1. 1 into 7 will be 7. So minus 20 plus 7 upon 24. Answer will be minus 13 upon 24. So here rest of the part you can try yourself. Now next question. See question number 3. In this question we have to verify the following. So by taking first part, minus 12 upon 5 plus 2 upon 7 equals to 2 upon 7 plus minus 12 upon 5. So here minus 12 upon 5 plus 2 upon 7 and 2 upon 7 plus here plus minus will be minus. So minus 12 upon 5. By taking LCM of 5 and 7, so LCM will 35. Now by dividing 35 by 5, it will be 7, and 7 into minus 12 will be minus 84. By dividing 35 by 7, it is 5. 5 into 2 will be 10. Here also taking LCM of 7 and 5 will be 35. So 35 divided by 7, it will be 5. 5 into 2, 10. Plus minus will be minus. 35 will be divided by 5, it will be 7. 7 into 12 will be 84. So here minus 84 plus 10 will be minus 74, and upon 35 equal to 10 minus 84 will be minus 74 upon 85. So these two parts are equal. So here we can say that left hand side will be equal to right hand side. So in this second part you can try yourself. Now see next question, that is question number 4. Here we have to verify the following. So by taking first part, that is minus 3 upon 4 plus minus 2 upon 5 plus minus 7 upon 10 equal to 3 upon 5 plus minus 2 upon 5 plus minus 7 upon 10. So here plus minus will be minus. So we can write here 3 upon 4 minus 2 upon 5. So by taking LCM of 4 and 5, it will be 20. So it will become 15 minus 8, and here minus 7 upon 10. And here 3 upon 4 and plus, by taking LCM of 5 and 10, it will be 10. It will become minus 4 and minus 7. And here By solving it, 15 minus 8 will be 7. 7 upon 20 minus 7 upon 10 equal to 3 upon 4 plus minus 11 upon 10. So by solving it, by taking LCM of 20 and 10, it will be 20. So it will become 7 minus 14 equal to, by taking LCM of 4 and 10, it will be 10 and plus minus become minus. So it will be 3 upon 4 minus 11 upon 10. So 7 minus 14 will be minus 7 upon 20 equal to, by taking LCM of 4 and 10, LCM will be 20, it will become 15 minus 22. So it is minus 7 upon 20, and by solving 15 minus 22, it is also minus 7 upon 20. So here we can say that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So in this you have to try this second part. Now next question. Now see next question. Find the additive inverse of the following. So in additive inverse, we have to change the sign. So by taking first part, minus 3 equal to minus 1 into 1 upon 3. So it will become minus 1 upon 3. Here minus 18. So minus 1 into minus 18, it is 18. Fifth, 15 upon minus 4. So minus 1 into 15 upon minus 4, it will be 15 upon 4. Now question number 7, we have to subtract. So here 3 upon 4 from 1 upon 3. So when it is written here from, so that means we have to subtract 3 upon 4 from 1 upon 3. So here we will write 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 4. So by taking LCM of 3 and 4, it will be 12. Now here 12 will be divided by 3, it is 4, and 4 into 1 will be 4. Now here 12 will be divided by this 4, so it will be 3, and 3 into 3 will be 9. Now here 4 minus 9 will be minus 5 and upon 12. So minus 5 upon 12 will be answer. Now see its third part, minus 8 upon 9 from 3 minus 3 upon 15. So here we have to write minus 3 upon 5 minus 8 upon 9. So it will become minus 3 upon 5 minus minus plus. As we know, minus minus will be plus. So 8 upon 9. Now taking LCM of 5 and 9, LCM will be 45. So 45 divided by 5, it will be 9, and 9 into 3 will minus 3 will be minus 27, and 45 divided by 9, it will be 5, and 5 into 8 will be 40. So here minus 27 plus 40 will be 13. So 13 upon 45 will be answer. So in this question, rest of the part you will try after this next question. Now see question number 8. Using the rearrangement property, find the sum. Here we have to use rearrangement property. So taking first part, we have given 4 upon 3 plus 3 upon 5 plus minus 2 upon 3 plus minus 11 upon 15. In this rearrangement property means the numbers which have same denominator, we have to write them together. Here 4 upon 3 and minus 2 upon 3 have same denominator as 3. So after rearranging, we can write here 4 upon 3 and minus 2 upon 3, and write here plus. Here 3 upon 5 and minus 11 upon 5 have same sign. So 3 upon 5 minus 11 upon 5. So here taking LCM as 3, 4 minus 2 upon 3 plus. Here taking LCM as 5. So here 3 minus 11 upon 5. 4 minus 2 will be 2 upon 3 plus 3 minus 11. It will be minus 8 upon 5. So here 2 upon 3 minus 8 upon 5. By taking LCM of 3 and 5 will be 15. Now 15 divided by 3, it will be 5, and 5 to the 10 minus. Now 15 divided by 5, it will be 3, and 3 into 8 will be 24. So 10 minus 24 will be minus 14 upon 15. So minus 14 upon 15 will be the answer. So after this, see question number 9. In question number 9, the sum of two rational number is minus 2. If one of the number is minus 14 upon 5, we have to find the other number. So here, let the other rational number be x. So here we are taking the rational number as x. So when we will add x with minus 14 upon 5, so it will become minus 2. So we can write here x plus minus 14 upon 5 equals to minus 2. So here x minus plus minus will be minus 14 upon 5 equals to minus 2. So by transposing minus 14 upon 5 here, so x will be, when this minus 14 upon 5 will come here, then this minus sign will become positive. So here we can write x equals to 14 upon 5 minus 2 upon 1. Now by taking LCM of 5 and 1, it will be 5. So it is 14 minus 10 and value of x will be 4 upon 5. So here we can say that other rational number is 4 upon 5. Now in this question number 10, this question you can try yourself, as this question number 10 is same as question number 9. So after this, next question. Now see question number 11. Here what should be added to minus 5 upon 8 so as to get minus 3 upon 2. That means which number we will add to minus 5 upon 8 to get minus 3 upon 2. So let x should be added. So x plus minus 5 upon 8 equals to minus 3 upon 2. So x plus minus will be minus. So minus 5 upon 8 equal to minus 3 upon 2. So here x equals to this minus 5 upon 8 will become plus 5 upon 8 and minus 3 upon 2. So here x equals to, by taking LCM of 8 and 2, so LCM will be 8. So it will be 8 and 8 divided by 2, 4. 4 into 3 will be 12. So value of x will be minus 7 upon 8. So we can say that minus 7 upon 8 will be added to minus 5 upon 8 to get minus 3 upon 2. So after this, see question number 12. This question number 12 we have to try yourself, because this question is same as question number 11. So it was all about your this exercise. In next session we will start next exercise. Okay, so thank you.